Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells you want to add and confirming formats. You need numbers, not text. Once done, clear any stray characters or spaces that can break formulas. Make sure headers or notes sit outside the numeric range so they won't be included. If data comes from another source, paste values only to avoid hidden formatting. Now that your range is clean and formatted as number or currency, you're ready to enter the first summing formula. Type a formula directly into the cell where you want the result. For example, equals SUM, A1, A10. You can also add specific cells with equals A1 plus A2 plus A3 when you only need a few values. Once you have dynamic or conditional needs, use SUMIF to include values that meet criteria, or array formula to expand calculations down a column. Make sure to lock ranges with $ if copying formulas. This prevents, once you see the total, verify by spot-checking a few components or using a calculator to confirm. If totals look off, you show formulas to reveal what each cell is computing. That helps spot wrong references. Make sure ranges aren't accidentally shifted when copied. Use $1 style absolute references when needed. If you get errors, inspect cells for text values or stray characters and convert formats to number. If problems persist, undo, correct the range, and reapply the SUM formula.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.